Are you ready to get crazy up in here? Because I am. Welcome to my corner, the slime corner, where I make slime videos or anything you want me to make. Put that in the comments below and I'll change the title. So today I made a brand new slime with my cousin. Sadly, he's not here right now. So the ingredients I used for this was borax, water, and glue. I used the whole bottle, and this happened. It's really sticky, so I recommend adding more borax because it kind of helps. I don't know why, but it helps a lot. So the one I made yesterday was this little Play-Doh slime. So I made it with baking soda and water and a little bit of borax to help it be non-sticky. I found that out. And man, borax helps a lot. So check out Food for Less. If it's illegal, use salt. Try to use salt or cornstarch. Also, I made this one a few months ago. It was made from the same ingredients as this one, but instead of regular glue from Elmer's, I used glitter glue Elmer's. And if you're wondering if there's another way to make it, you can use cornstarch, baking soda, salt, shampoo, soap, and you can use, hold on, I'm thinking. You can use glue, a whole bottle of glue with laundry detergent. It could be a little bit sticky, so you just have to hold it back. So let me show you. So I'm just gonna go and pick it up and try to drop it back. You see my motion of work here? Try to go like that for the laundry detergent, then glue. That could help a lot. So it's not sticky anymore. And by the way, it kind of looks rubber. So look at that video, look up flubber, and it might take you to Hula or Woopa Kids, something like that. Tell me if I'm wrong about that name, Hula or Woopa Kids, down below in the comments, and tell me what the correct way is, because I forgot. So please comment that down below. Comment what new video you want me to share with you guys, and I'd be happy to share. So thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and like button. So thanks